In this intermediate tap dance lesson tutorial, we're going to be doing a combination to the song Shivers by Ed Sheeran. I hope you have a great time with that. If you're new here, I of course am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Starting with the right foot, you have shuffle, ball change, stamp, spank, step, stamp, spank, step, scuffle, step, heel, stamp, step, stamp. Again, that was shuffle, ball change, stamp, spank, step, stamp, spank, step, scuffle, step, heel, stamp, step, stamp. Let's put some counts on it. 6, 7, 8, 1 and a 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and a 7 and 8. If that's a little easy and you're wanting to spice it up on that scuffle, step, heel, stamp, step, stamp, what you can do instead is scuffle, dig, toe, stamp, step, stamp. Again, that option is scuffle, dig, toe, stamp, step, stamp. Cool. I'm going to go back to the normal version from the top. 6, 7, 8, 1 and a 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and a 7 and 8. From here, step, toe, heel, step, stamp, stamp, scuffle, step, backwards, cramp, roll. Again, that was step, toe, heel, step, stamp, stamp, scuffle, step, backwards, cramp, roll. Beautiful. Let's add it on from the top and put some counts on it. 6, 7, 8, 1 and a 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and a 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. Let's roll that much again. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and a 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. From here, right foot's free. Step, spank, heel, right foot cramp roll. Step, spank, heel, stamp, stamp. Again, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and one more time. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. If you want to spice that part up, instead of doing step, spank, heel, you can do a flam, step, heel style. A flam, spank, heel. Flam, spank, heel, cramp, roll. Flam, spank, heel, stamp, stamp. A flam is like a relaxed step heel, where the toe and the heel are almost at the same time, but just slightly separated, so you get a bra. Okay, so that's your option. I'll go back to doing it normal, and I'm going to connect it from the top. 6, 7, 8, 1 and a 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and a 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Let's do that much again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and a 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and a 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. From here, stamp, single pull step, stamp, step, stamp. Again, that's stamp, single pull step, stamp, step, stamp, followed by step, shuffle, step, scuff, big toe, step, heel, stamp. That's step, shuffle, step, scuff, big toe, step, heel, stamp. 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. All right. I'm going to go back from the stamp, single pull with counts. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. I'll roll that again. 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2 and 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. Super, my friends. Let's connect it all from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and a 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and a 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and a 2 and 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. Why, yes, we'll do that all again. From the top. We got you. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and a 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and a 2 and 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. Super, my friends, let's give it a shot. Again, that song is Shivers by Ed Sheeran. We're going to be starting about 2 minutes and 30 seconds into the song. If you're having a good time, enjoying yourself, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and even take a moment to drop a comment down below letting us know you're having a good time and maybe even what you'd like to see in the future. I'll give you a second to do that right now. Thank you so much. Let's jump in with some music. Let's see how it goes. All right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Why, yes, we're going to do that again. Here we go. Same thing. Beautiful, beautiful. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, rolling it again. Here we go. Many chances, many chances. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go roll it again. I'm going to try the fancy version. No guarantees. Run it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. One more time, just regular. No fancy on this one. 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. I'm going to do it one more time facing you. You're not expected to do it with me. This is just so you can see what it looks like from the front, if all goes well. All right, beautiful. Thank you so much for tapping with me. I hope you had a great time. If you did, again, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, drop a comment down below letting us know you did have a good time and what you might like to see. Again, I'll give you another second to do that if you didn't do it before. Awesome. Thank you so much. Don't forget at unitedtaps.com, we've got a ton of great content. So if you enjoyed this combination, we've got a huge intermediate advanced lesson series. We do warm-ups, we do step technique, we do combinations, putting it all together. We've also got collections for across the floor. We've got a tap dictionary, choreography, workouts, practice exercises, just a little bit of everything to keep you tapping and having fun. You can find all of that at unitedtaps.com. I think you'll find a lot of stuff to have fun there. Thank you so much for tapping with me. I, of course, am Rod Howe from unitedtaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.